welcome to our channel Knowledge Hub. Friends, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're gonna start with your quantitative aptitude class. This is your class 162, and where we have to cover up. We had covered up 161th class of the sessions as well. In terms of quantitative aptitude, we had started with arithmetical ability. In that we are dealing with time and work, that is the 15th topic. Lastly, we had done 14th topic, and the last topic we had done is your partnership. Coming towards this, in terms of time and work, we had done 45 questions in the last classes, and today we continue with 46th question. But before starting with this, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. So the question is, X and Y can do a piece of work in 20 days and 12 days respectively. X started the work alone, and then after 4 days Y joined him till the completions of the work. How long did the work last? This has been asked in the bank PO question paper. Options were 6 days, 10 days, 15 days and 20 days. So we'll find it out for the solution here. Here we go. X and Y can do a piece of work in 20 days and 12 days respectively. X started the work alone. And then after 4 days Y joined. After 4 days Y joined him till the completion. Till the completion of the week. Till the completion of the work. How long did the work last? This has been asked in bank PO. So the options for the same here. For this, it will be 6 days, 10 days, 15 days and 20 days. So we go for it and we find it out. So here we go. Work done by X in 4 days. Equals to 1 upon 20 into 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 20. This will be 1 upon 5. And remaining work equals to 1 minus 1 upon 5, which will be equals to 4 upon 5. Now X plus Y 1 days work equals to 1 upon 20 plus 1 upon 12. which will give you 8 upon 60 equals to 2 upon 15. Now further we go. Now 2 by 15 here. Now 2 by 15 work is done by X and Y in one day. So 4 by 5 work will be done X and Y 15 upon 2 into 4 upon 5. That is 3 to the 6 days. Hence, total time taken equals to 6 plus 4 days. Equals to 10 days. Now we talk about 47th question here, and the question we have: A and B can together finish a work in 30 days. They worked together for 20 days and then B left. After another 20 days, A finished the remaining work. In how many days A alone can finish the job? This has been asked in SSC examination paper. Options were 40, 50, 54 and 60. So A and B can together finish a work in 30 days. So here we go for this question, and that what they work together for 20 days. And then be left. After another 20 days. A finished the remaining work. In how many days A alone? A alone can finish the job. This has been asked in SSC examination paper. Options were 40, 50, 54 and 60. So let's go for the same here. That is A plus B's 20 days work. Ten to the 20, 10 3 the 30. It will be 2 by 3. Remaining work 1 minus 2 by 3 is equals to 1 by 3. Now 1 by 3 work is done by A in 20 days, whole work will be done by A in 20 into 3, which is 60 days. Now we go for another one, which is the another question is your 48 question. Let's figure it out. 48 question. So the question is, X can do a piece of work in 40 days. He worked as it for 8 days and then Y finish it in 16 days. On the same way, it in 16 days. And how long will they together take to complete the work? This has been the another important question. The options were 13, 1 by 3 days, 15 days, 20 days and 56 days. This has been asked in the hotel management question paper. So we'll go for the same and let's find it out. X can do piece of work in 40 days. He worked at it for 8 days and then Y finish it in 16 days. How long will they together take to complete the work? This has been asked in hotel management question paper. Okay, let's find out the solution here. Options were 13, 1 by 3 days, 15 days, 20 days and 56 days. Let's do that. Work done by X in 8 days. Question 140 into 8. Upon 5. Remaining work equals to 1 minus 1 upon 5 equals to 4 upon 5. So with the same we go here for the remaining work that we had find it out. And now we go for now 4 by 5 work is done by Y in 16 days. Whole work will be done by Y in 16 into 5 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. That is 20 days. X 1 day's work equals to 1 upon 40. Y is 1 day's work equals to 1 by 20. So x plus y, 1 day's y. So with the same here, x 1 day's work equals to 1 upon 40 plus 1 upon 20 equals to 3 upon 40. So hence x and y will together complete, hence x and y will together complete the work in 40 by 3. Now we go for the next question, that is your 49th question of the session. Here we go. A, B and C together can complete a piece of work in 10 days. All these three started working at it together, and after 4 days A left. Then B and C together completed the work in 10 more days. A alone could complete the work, and the options were 15 days, 16 days, 25 days and 50 days. So let's find out the solution here, and that has been the important one. Is your 49th one. So the question is, A, B and C together can complete a piece of work in 10 days. All the three started working at it together, and after 4 days A left. Then B and C together completed B and C together completed the work in 10 days. In 10 more days. A alone could complete the work in the answer, we'll find it out here, is as follows. So where we go for it, the 49th solution. Here we go. So for 49th, it will be work done by A, B and C in 4 days. Work done by A, B and C in 4 days equals to 1 upon 10 into 4. So it will be 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. It will be 2 by 5. Remaining work equals to 1 minus 2 by 5, which is equals to 3 by 5. Now 2 by 5, 3 by 5 work is done by B and C in 10 days. Now whole work will be done by B and C in 10 into 5 by 3, which is 50 by 3 days. Now A plus B plus C 1 day's work equals to 1 by 10. B plus C 3 by 50. So A's 1 day's work equals to 1 by 10 minus 3 by 50 equals to 2 by 50 equals to 1 upon 25. A alone could complete the work in 25 days. Now we go for the another one, which is been the another important question, is the 50th question. So 50 question. Question is, A does 4 by 5 of work in 20 days. Again, he then call in B and they together finish the remaining work in 3 days. How long B alone would take to do the whole work? Options were 23 days, 37 days, 37 1 by 2 days and 40 days. This has been asked in SSC examination paper. So of course that has been important one. So here we go. A done 4 by 5 of a work 20 days. He then call in B and they together finish the remaining work in 3 days. How long B alone would take to do the whole work? This has been asked in SSC examination paper. The options were 33 days, 23 days, 37 days, 37 1 by 2 days and 40 days. So we go for it. Whole work is done by A in 25 5 4 4 5 is 5 5 is 25. Now 1 minus 4 by 5, that is 1 by 5. Work is done by A and B in 3 days. So whole work will be done by A and B in 3 into 5, which is 15 days. Is 1 day's work equals to 1 upon 25. A plus B's 1 day's work equals to 1 upon 15. B's 1 day's work equals to 1 upon 15 minus 1 upon 25, which will be 4 upon 150 equals to 2 upon 75. So B alone were to do the work in 75 by 2 equals to 37 1 by 2 days. That we have. And the next we'll do, which is the another important questions, that is the 51th question of the session in 163 question. So we'll discuss that in the next coming class, of course. But before ending it up, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and whether you can also enjoy the video as well. And other than quantitative aptitude, we had done your reasoning, where in that we had done your verbal reasoning and non-verbal reasoning. Coming towards chemistry, we had done your part 1 and we are dealing with the part 2 for class 11th NCERT. Physics part 1, we are dealing for class 11th NCERT. Coming towards we are dealing with the database management system. We are dealing with the ER diagrams as well. Coming towards, we are dealing with the communication, that is your English vocabulary. Coming towards quantitative aptitude, yes, here we are dealing with the numbers, SCF and LCF of numbers, decimal fraction, simplification, square roots and cube roots, averages, problems on numbers, problems on ages, sums and indices, percentage, profit and loss, ratio and proportion, partnership, chain rule, time and work. So chain rule, after chain rule, we are dealing with the time and work. After that, we will do your pipe and system, time and distance, problems on train, boards and strings, allegations or mixture, simple interest, compound interest, logarithm, area, volume and surface area, races and games of skills, calendar, clocks, stocks and shares, competitions and combinations. Then we deal with the probability to discount, bankers discount, height and distance, odd man out series. In data interpretation, we have to cover the tabulations, bar graph, pie charts and line graph. So here we're gonna end up with. Thank you. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on the comment box. Thank you.